Alright, so I'll go on YouTube. Oh God, why am I saying this? I still can't get used to the fact that I don't have my vlog channel, Duttyberry Uncut. And so today I'm going to be doing, I guess I can call it my first official shoot.
That me say.
And it's all for my vlog channel. And somebody right here, apparently I not even know, so them all have a big excitement. It's at a hotel or apartment building place. It is called the Loft. Yeah, they're right outside National Stadium, that little parking lot here. Over here, so I have, you know, the youngest and the baddest in the game right now.
I pray.
Kavan!
Yes,
Okay, so he's the photographer for today. So I'm going, yeah, I try to get the sunset. The sunset, there's somewhere around here, so mind it blind you. And over here, so Rahi. The boy Rahi Studios. So he's a stylist for today.
You don't know,
so,
but you have to start. A wardrobe on deck.
So any outfit where you say we don't like, him you must blame. Okay? If my belly is protruding out of if my belly protrude out of the outfit, blame Corona. I just say it go.
Walk out sky juice, I know your daddy.
Alright, you know the center?
Hold on, why not? Come on, go again.
One more time, hold on. Go.
Go on again.
Let me see how that looks. What are they? Most.
Lori, what shake?
I don't know what you're talking about. You are
What shake?
I don't know what you're talking about.
So nobody there know what shake? What is a shake? Ryan, what is a shake?
Shake, they say, is a psychopath.
Okay. Yo, you see, whenever Kavan is on set, this is a face. Like, no laughter, none at all. It's like, man, just fully serious. Can't even see him right now.
This is crazy.
Alright, so now we did the way you call this, like the official shoot. I think man did for Hungry. Everybody there did for Hungry. I was saying, Ufa 5-star broke first. Rhyme over here, so crazy. Every time you dip on set, like, your hungry belly just always present itself.
I just a truth.
So later on, we're going to see if we can get some.
I'm just going to put your flash.
Sure.
Alright, yeah.
What am I doing, man? What am I doing?
I like how, alright, so put back your weight on your right foot and lift up the, put back your weight on that and lift up that foot like last time. No, I did off of the ground, yeah, something like that. Run again.
What?
Yeah, this foot, yeah.
Yo, I love this last
So
time, yeah.
I know that foot thing like...
There it
is. Kick out foot thing.
No, sir. Long time I'm ball. You know when we used to play for Anna girl?
You wanna stop? If you know one with the jack.
Come here, that's music.
Give me the phone though. Yeah, and then walk. First step.
Oh, yeah.
You want the jumping one, so we're gonna try to get that. Look to the reference. Yeah, but alright, so look over your shoulder now. Too far, like right here. Yeah. But give me seriously, yeah. Give me more extension in your front foot. So put your front same forward, but put your yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, but look over your shoulder. Yeah. So try keep your back a little bit straighter. Yeah, and then look over your shoulder.
Yeah, man, so this is the second look. Raheem, what is this? Walk me through what we're going off right here. So,
We're just serve them Vogue, you know?
what is this? Rich billionaire? What is this? Who am I now? What's the character?
Get your shoes! Yeah, show them the shoes.
Hold on.
Forbes next on the list. GQ ain't ready for this.
No, man, that's only for just walk the supermarket now. When they just walk in the aperture, so I love this.
No, man, if what's your charge for style? I forgot to style my life after this. This is first skill.
Wow.
One thing with me now, when my cuteness ready to come out, nothing can stop it.
Mom, I'll show you one.
And you see you, me not there nobody, it just a glow.
I'm a wardrobe stylist.
What is the difference between a wardrobe stylist and Sunday?
Because a wardrobe stylist reorganize or reshape your entire wardrobe so that sets who your personality is for a specific season. A stylist, however, just someone will come and pull an outfit or a look for a specific show, shoot.
Oh, like if
or
when they have like the Grammy Awards, I'm just.
Yeah.
So you use like coming on my closet and
Fix your closet, throw
Okay.
what you need for throw away, tell you what you need to have as a backbone.
upgrading of this badman vibe I'm looking for more.
Well, yeah, you're looking. Oh yeah, I thought you were doing the preppy thing.
No.
I thought you were doing preppy good uptown, like it just benefiting off of your parents' trust fund.
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke ass.
Yeah.
You don't get no respect.
Say past that now, you're on the skilly bang intense type of stuff.
Cut off for pants, I think they call it.
Yeah, we should do it for footage, you know.
And some Clarks.
Should make that into content for one day, you know. Let me make it like style. Look, we tell somebody to link up. Anyway, come on, what are you doing here today? What is your job title here today?
Job title today is the button presser. I'm just a press beer button.
You're the photographer? Or is that like a basic word? Is there a better word for photographer?
Cinematographer.
Yeah,
it sounds more like...
It wouldn't, that's for more film.
So what is this? What we look at? Where we look at right there, so?
So this is a strobe light or a flash. That's the next one we use as a backlight.
A flashlight?
Wow. No, not a
Do you know what is a flashlight though?
Yes, I know. A pocket pussy. I know.
Raheem, do you know what's a flashlight?
No, I'm a Christian. Ask me what our point finders.
And you see me, I have no idea what a flashlight is. What people use a flashlight for?
Well,
Like when your hand cut or something like that?
if you have extra cash and you want to store it, it's kind of like a wallet.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you put money in that wallet?
Yeah, another thing.
Barry, just let me know if you ever use a flashlight before. Can you get these things off Amazon? I don't know. You know?
More try to understand what really I keep yes.
We're not fully
Oh yeah, I like that. But you just back a little bit for me? No, not back, sorry. Like actually
to the right.
Yeah. Okay. You know, and so close up your leg them a little bit more. It's too far Yeah, alright.
How am I saying that you feel like a slut?
Close my leg.
Words can bring me.
Well, anyway, so this is the end of the video. This is the end of... Can stop Snapchat? Hold on. Oh, the light. Boy! Listen. Boy. The Lord. Anyway, so this is the end. Do you just come away like and tell me something and drop after that? Alright, so this is the end of the vlog, the Duttyberry Uncut. This is one of my first, well, I can call it my first official photo shoot. I feel like I want some nice image and stuff. So I'll just like carry around and, you know, talk to the people them. So here say I have Noel. The first Noel. So Noel and Calvin is working on this piece of umbrella. I don't know what it is. What is this? What do you call it?
Softbox. Light modifier.
A softbox? But like they come in different sizes.
Yeah. Like you see a smaller one right there. I know you see a big one there. The bigger the surface area is, the more diffuse the light is.
Oh wow.
But yo, big up Vogue Pixel in studio we use. If you want to book a photo shoot, Vogue Pixel. You know what I mean? Yes. If you want video, Kinematic Studios. Yeah.
Kinematics and Vogue.
Yeah, and Curly Visuals.
And Curly Visuals.
Yeah, man.
That's a wifey.
Yeah.
Alright. Have to plug her in Lori over there so I chat to man on phone. And over here, so is I was able to like help him pick out some of the outfits because you know him they kind of feel a little bit insecure. I'm gonna tell him say yo,
People.
come in that light, come in that light.
People,
Yes.
from when you know right, you know. And from you know, you just know.
So who
I'm
you working
broker
with?
in real life.
I should say you work with Spice.
Yeah.
Who else?
No, I don't really disclose.
You
my
work with Spice.
clientele
No, you did a
list.
walk with. No, you did a
No,
walk.
just know some in the streets.
No, you did a walk with Spice.
Just know
with
some
them.
in the
When
streets.
she take off for a week. No, you did a car ride to the car with the umbrella.
You have no
Yeah.
proof. You have no proof of
I
that.
have the video.
But you don't know enough. The Duttyberry Uncut. People, stay tuned and watch the youth here. The youth
Alright,
have
yeah.
the stars. So yeah,
Alright,
big
okay.
up.
Bye,
The boy
bye.
right. You don't know. Follow the Instagram. Follow everything. The boy right. Link the boy right. Right studios.
I wouldn't put another piece of fried chicken. I wouldn't put another fried chicken. And Lori, over here, my trusted assistant.
Something very embarrassing all of that. And
Where are you going to try and make me drop on the ground?
no,
That's what you're going to do?
Chicken.
Okay. Who were you talking to a while ago, Lori?
Nobody. You're talking about stories.
Okay. Alright, sir. So bye, Lori.
Scandal, you know? Love scandal, me. Bye, guys.
Alright, bye, take care. So that is it over there. Oh, yeah, we're here from Kavan already. So yeah, that's it, people. Hopefully we can show them the pictures at the end of this video. This video. I feel like I'm gonna look well at because honestly, you know, like I have the sauce, I got the drip, got everything. All I need is some food right now. So peace out until the next video.